Kolter homes. Homes that are built around you. The Riley floor plan features many examples of unique personalization options designed for today's active adults. Here's one that many couples appreciate and we lovingly call the snore room. This option allows you to convert bedroom 2 into a sleeping room with its own bathroom that connects to the owner's suite through the main walk-in closet. With this new layout, everyone can enjoy a good night's rest. The garage layout is another of the many ways you can personalize your new home with Kolter. With the Riley floor plan, you can choose a courtyard garage orientation, which adds windows that bring natural light into the space. You can also choose a 4-foot garage extension that gives you more space for storage, a workbench, or your favorite toys such as a kayak, canoe, or motorcycle. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.